pouring. We're going to be pouring today. Welcome to 12 Days of Cocktails and Core. We are on day 10.
Chocolate orange. We'd be tasting before we do it, just to make sure.
I have to taste it to make sure it's good.
I just gotta say these cups look beautiful.
Yes, we've already lined them with some cacao chocolate.
That looks delicious.
It is so yummy.
All right, what you got for us today?
So we have all of our ingredients. Charlie has already blended our bananas, dates, and almond spiced chai.
That's right.
Which is so yummy.
Yep. Oh my God, that's like a dessert in heaven in a cup.
You ready?
Been ready. I think you're gonna have to take off the lid.
It looks so yummy.
Did I do good?
My God. Oh my God, it smells so good.
What's that liquid I put in?
It's an almond chai.
So half a bottle of that.
Yeah.
2 bananas, 2 dates.
Right.
Ice.
I'm gonna start off with 4 shots of our almond chai banana smoothie mix. Actually, I'm gonna just put half of this in there since it's 2 of us.
Also, it would have been 8 shots for 2 people.
Right. I'm gonna make sure that you deep pit the dates because they definitely have a seed in them.
Mm-hmm.
I can show you guys. Make sure to
take that off.
To remove the seed when you're blending, or you're gonna have a really chunky smoothie. 2 shots of 1.
2.
Okay. We're gonna do 2 shots of our Bacardi rum. My friend is gonna take care of me later.
Yeah, I will.
Let's get the shaken.
Hello.
We have bananas, dates, our almond chai, and also our Bacardi rum.
Let's talk about the benefits of dates. They're very nutritious. They're high in fiber. I feel like that's the theme for your recipes. High in disease-fighting antioxidants. I feel like that's also your theme.
Also healthy, beneficial for the health of the brain. You're doing a good job shaking things.
I'm a smeller. I like to smell everything.
Let me smell. Okay. It smells like banana pudding.
Yeah, it does.
You ready for this pour?
Always.
Look how pretty.
Oh my. And you did such a good job with that chocolate. You got, just like enjoying how it was looking. I put all of it for me.
I feel like you deserve it.
Thank you.
You earned it.
Guys, but look how pretty this looks.
Oh
now it's time.
You ready for this taste, babe?
You know I am.
Ooh, let's go.
That shit is. Wow, this is beautiful. You did so good. It literally makes the drink so classy.
Right?
Yeah, it's like your host took the time to care.
Let's taste it.
Oh my God. This is unbelievable. This is Christmas.
What are we doing today?
This is Christmas in a cup. Girl.
So good.
You know what's really, really cool? When you smell more the banana. And then when you drink,
you taste the chai.
That cinnamon is so good.
You did so good with the mix, babe.
I did? Thank you.
Do you taste the rum?
Yes. If it was too heavy on rum, just throw a little bit more of your smoothie in there to lighten it up. I'm Gucci with my amount.
I'm Gucci with mine too.
I am so excited and sad for day 10 because that means we only got 2 more days. But the good news is that it's on the www, so we can always come back to it.
It is.
You guys, if you do this, I keep saying this and I mean it. If you do it, share it. Share it with her. She's more than happy to celebrate you. Take pretty pictures of it. And I mean, if I go to someone's house and they give me this
is so fancy.
This says you care.
She did that.
She did that. She got ready for me. Thank you. Thank you for getting ready for us.
Oh,
you always coming through. You guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you for another amazing and healthy, really, recipe. Right. Alcohol is alcohol. It is what it is. But you're putting all the antioxidants in here, fibers, and good stuff.
You ready for some core work, babe?
I always forget the core work. Because we're keeping it classy. Imagine you at a party and, you want to do a little ab work, but you don't want to show anyone that you're doing little ab work, right? So it's kind of like the band and snap, okay? So if you have a table behind you or the floor, you're going to drop your drink all the way down and bring it back up and snap it up and go back again and down and sip. Other side. And then, I'm sorry, what'd you say? Oh, sorry, what's that? Cheers.
Here we go. Make sure you work that core, keeping it tight and right.
Doesn't doesn't take much, you guys. I actually do this in parties, actually. Like when I'm just sitting there, like I'm constantly like tightening my abs, you know, because that's already an ab workout. If you hold your abs tight, I mean, this like going back is just fun, and I feel it once in a while. I'll do it in airplanes all the time. I'll lift my knees if I have to. That's another good one, but we did that yesterday.
Yeah.
By just tightening your abs and holding it there, 30 seconds is hard.
It is.
Constant tension, that's all it takes. So you could be sipping this right here, tightening your abs, and you're, what's it called? Earning the burn?
Earn it and burn it.
10 days, and I can't memorize it. But thanks, Fee.
Of course.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here, Fee.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. He Furley got me tipsy out here in the streets.
No, you did.
You give me a filter? Of course. I'm ready. I'm so glad I know how to hold my liquor.
Me too. Oh my God.
We are at day 10.
Yep. I don't know what you got for them.
Cocktails in court with our yummy Almond Chai smoothie.
Nothing says you care like this drink does.